Here's a 1957 Ford Ranchero at Unique, especially in classics. Going for that kind of old school patina look with a clear over the top of it, so it's still going to stay nice the way it is underneath there. Underneath the hood, 292 paired up with an automatic transmission. Give you an idea what the finish actually looks like. Also power steering underneath the hood. Aluminum radiator, and we'll pop the hood here at the end. Let you hear it run. Check out the sound. Kind of want to give you an idea on the finish of this one. Kind of a cool looking Ranchero. It was originally a flame red and colonial white, so appears to be kind of the same way it was, only faded out, aged, and then cleared over. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on 20-inch wheels. Interior red and white combination to accent the exterior colors, and that's the way this would have came from Ford back in 57 also, was with the flame and white interior, although now it has been reupholstered. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Spraying bed liner on the bed floor, but otherwise they kept the side walls of the bed the same, with the exception, of course, of the inner fenders, the inner tire area. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And you can see kind of where you have some corrosion, rotted some, left it, cleared over it, kind of the same way along the wheel wells. So again, just has that kind of old, rustic look, I guess if you will, patinaed, and kind of done up as a hot rod or street rod. You know, it's funny, you go to the shows and some of the ones that have the thousands of dollar paint jobs, sit there and one of these come rolling in, they garner more attention than some of the high-end paint ones, just because of the cool look, something different. And they run and sound, go down the road just as nice, just a different look to them. To each their own, right? All right, take a look at the interior. Seat belts in it. Looks like it may still have the original door cards, so still kind of that faded to go along with the look of the truck and the aged vehicle look, I guess, if you will. Let's go ahead and start this up. Why don't you hear it run? That's pretty darn good. Starts easily. Nice little throaty rumble coming out of that 292. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Again, original color was flame and white interior. Got to show you this headliner too, because it kind of goes along with the look of the rest of the truck. Look at this. No, not perfect by any means, but again, fits the look that they're going after on this hot rod. Slip around the back so you hear it run. Oh, nice that door closes. There we go. Sounds good. Let me slip up to the front. We'll pop this hood. Check out the engine bay. We'll wrap this video up. FYI, hood release is in the interior. I think I can get this with one hand, hopefully here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Look at that, even finishing off the same underneath the hood. That clear over patina. aluminum radiator, that V8 power steering, a smooth running power plant. Let's look around to the other side. Check it out for the passenger side here. Engine sounds good. Again, smooth running. Wow. There you have it. Don't see one like that at every show you go to. 1957 Ford Ranchero here at Unique, especially in classics. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.